It looks like a bumblebee transformer that's ready to race a Porsche, but underneath the canary yellow paint and the aggressive body kit, it's actually the most sensible purchase you can make this year. This is the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line. And if you think you know what this car is, you are wrong. Most crossovers are boring. They blend into the parking lot like appliances. But look at this. The first thing you notice is the black style package. You get a black roof, black mirrors, and these massive 20-inch Calgary alloy wheels. Putting 20-inch wheels on a compact crossover is ridiculous. It's insane. And that is exactly why it works. It changes the stance completely. It stops looking like a grocery getter and starts looking like a concept car that accidentally got released to the public. But here is the catch. Pop the hood and you won't find a race engine. You get a 1.5-liter eTSI engine producing 150 horsepower. Now before you click away, listen, this is actually its superpower. Because it has the eTSI badge, it's a mild hybrid. That means when you lift off the gas on the highway, the engine completely shuts off. It coasts, it's silent. You get the aggressive R-Line looks that turn heads, but you're burning fuel like a miser. It's the ultimate trade-off. You look fast, but you save money. Inside, the story changes again. The old T-Roc had an interior that felt a bit plastic. Volkswagen heard the complaints and fixed it. You now get the soft-touch dashboard and the Discovery infotainment system that sits high up, right in your line of sight. The seats are the specific R-Line sport seats. They hug you just tight enough to feel sporty, but they are comfortable enough for a 6-hour road trip. And look up. That panoramic sunroof isn't just a window, it stretches almost the entire width of the roof. It makes the cabin feel twice as big as it actually is. You also get the IQ.LIGHT Matrix LED headlights. These are smart. They can keep high beams on without blinding other drivers by creating a shadow box around them. It is tech usually reserved for cars double the price. So is it worth the cash? This specific spec, with the yellow paint and the black wheels, sits right around 45,000 Swiss francs. That is not cheap for a compact SUV, but here is the verdict. If you want a car that drives like a Golf, but looks like it costs twice as much, this is it. It's the perfect daily driver for people who refuse to drive something boring. If you enjoyed this, I have a video coming up on the channel that you don't want to miss. Hit that subscribe button so you see it first. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.